Active cell reference F38. If function returns nothing in this cell, because this cell has value less than $100,000. Active cell reference G38. If function returns tax value on this profit, company will pay $17,108 to government at the end of third year. Similarly, company will pay taxes to government at the end of 4, 5, 6 and 7 years. Because the profit values of years 4, 5, 6 and 7 are greater than $100,000. Now I calculate the final profit of the company after adding the tax in the income statement. Active cell reference E39. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E35. Because company is exempted to pay tax on the profit of the first year, so the profit will same as well as profit without tax. Press enter key. Similarly, the profit of the second year will same as well as profit without tax. Active cell reference F39. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference F35. Press enter key. Active cell reference G39. Enter equal sign. Subtract the value of tax for year 3 to the value of profit for year 3. Click cell reference G35. Enter subtraction operator. Click cell reference G38. Press enter key. Paste the same formula in other cells. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. This is the final profit of the company after adding the tax in the tax liability row. The income statement shows the profit of the company at the end of 7 years is $158,403. In this way, the income statement of the company is created.